Bonjour, leçon 3, découvrir une ville. 11th standard students, listen carefully. Lesson 3, third lesson. Now we are going to see the deuxième partie. Dialogue D. Deux touristes indiens, Malati et Sumati, sont à Paris. Deux touristes, l'Indien, Malati et Sumati, sont à Paris. Page numéro 26, page number 26. Deux touristes indiens, Malati et Sumati, sont à Paris. Malati, bonjour monsieur. Malati, bonjour monsieur. Nous allons visiter la cathédrale de Notre-Dame de Paris. Mais nous ne comprenons pas ce plan de Paris. Deux touristes indiens, Malati et Sumati, sont à Paris. Two Indian tourists, Malati and Sumati, are in Paris. Suppose you are going to visit France, you and your friend. So you go and discuss and you see some important places. Okay, which are the places you are going to visit? Like this, here they are discussing about a place in France. They are visiting Paris. Bonjour monsieur, good morning sir. Nous voulons visiter la cathédrale de Notre-Dame de Paris. Sir, nous voulons visiter la cathédrale de Notre-Dame de Paris. We want to visit the Cathedral of Notre-Dame of Paris. Good morning, sir. We want to visit the Cathedral of Notre-Dame of Paris. Mais nous ne comprenons pas ce plan de Paris. Mais nous ne comprenons pas ce plan de Paris. But we do not understand this map of Paris. But we do not understand this map of Paris. Nowadays you are seeing the map route, the route by mobile phone. Those days they have a separate map, like a diary, the plan. With that map only they find the way. The person who is going to foreign countries or foreigners is coming to India or even Pondicherry, they'll have a plan and they'll say which way where you have to go to school or a temple or church, a beach, hotel, any place they see by a plan. Nowadays we are searching in a mobile phone. Okay, est-ce que vous comprenez? Bonjour monsieur. Nous voulons visiter la cathédrale de Notre-Dame de Paris, mais nous ne comprenons pas ce plan de Paris. But we do not understand this map of Paris. Vous voyez, you see, vous voyez, nous sommes des touristes indiens. You see, we are the Indian tourists. You see, we are the Indian tourists. Nous ne connaissons pas bien ce quartier. Nous ne connaissons pas bien ce quartier. We do not know this locality well. Suppose any place if we are going, first time we are going means we don't know where is the place, which way to go, where we have to go, we don't know the place. Because the place is new to us. Like that here, you see we are Indian tourists, we don't know this locality well. Quelle ligne doit-on prendre? Which line must we take? Quelle ligne doit-on prendre? Even when you come to Pondicherry, the narrow streets will be there. Any person will show you the way. For example, if you go for a beach or a temple a restaurant, and it been straight narrow streets. You find a way easy to go to the bus stand, or you can find any vehicle to pass, even the train. But for example, if you go to Bangalore or Chennai, finding a way is very difficult. Even the person, they won't say the way also. So they find the way by seeing the plan. By map route only they'll see. Ok. Nous ne connaissons pas bien ce quartier. We don't know this locality well. Quelle ligne doit-on prendre? Which line must we take? Un passant. Passant means what? A person who goes by a bypasser on the way, just a passing a person. A passer by. Bon, good. Vous regardez le plan. Look at the map. Vous regardez le plan. Vous regardez le plan. You look at the map. Vous êtes ici à Chantelet. Vous êtes ici. You are here in Chantelet. Suppose you're pointing up a place. Now you are in this place. Like that. You are. Vous êtes ici à Chantelet. Vous prenez la ligne 4. You take line 4. Yeah, and vous descendez à la station Saint-Michel. You take the line 4 and you get on the Saint-Michel station. Descendez. Descendez is what? Get on la station de Saint-Michel. The TGV, suppose going by train. Like here in India, we'll go by bus. Mostly in European countries, even in France, they go often by train. Metro. Metro nowadays is introduced in Chennai. More than 100 years before it was in France. The metro, TGV. The Viters. Okay, le train. So, descendre à la station Saint-Michel. Vous traversez la Seine et vous voilà. Vous traversez la Seine. You cross the Seine et vous voilà. That you are devant la cathédrale. Vous traversez. You cross the Seine. The Seine is the river crossed by, you can see in the Eiffel Tower around the picture also. It's a river flowing name called La Seine. Et voilà, devant la cathédrale. Sumati, merci beaucoup, monsieur. Thank you very much, sir. En passant, je vous en prie. You are welcome. Je vous en prie. Bon séjour en France. Have a nice stay in France. Even this name Bon Séjour we saw near Lenin Street Hotel. It's a French name. Bon Séjour. Have a nice stay. Have a nice stay. Je vous en prie. Bon séjour en France. Est-ce que vous comprenez? Will you be able to understand? I'll repeat again. Listen carefully. Deux touristes indiens, Malati et Sumati, sont à Paris. So the two persons are there. So they use sont, the verb être, third person plural. That is ILS form. Sont, are, aksangara. We can see at top of a top. You can see a small slash down. Sign is called accent grave. À Paris, at Paris. Malati, bonjour monsieur, nous voulons visiter la cathédrale de Notre-Dame de Paris, mais nous ne comprenons pas ce plan de Paris. Here the verb is comprendre. Verb is comprendre. Any negative sentence, if you want to frame in French, is you want to write the sentence in negative before the verb, any, after the verb pas, pas, pas. Mais nous ne comprenons pas ce plan de Paris. So this is a negative sentence. Vous voyez, nous sommes de touristes indiens. Nous ne connaissons pas bien ce quartier. Quelle ligne doit-on prendre? Bon, vous regardez le plan. Vous êtes ici, à Châtelet. Vous prenez la ligne 4 et vous descendez à la station Saint-Michel. Vous traversez le Seine et vous voilà devant la cathédrale. Sumati, merci beaucoup, monsieur. En passant, je vous en prie, bon séjour en France. Bon séjour en France. Line by line, you see the translation and try to learn, and same you can write in a classworks. There are very few lessons only in French, simple phrases. See, in English and you translate, you find easy. Some of the word like a familiar word like voila is expression. Voila, merci beaucoup, thank you very much, bon séjour. Words will be familiar, you must learn the meaning. Then you can find very easier. Okay, able to understand. Merci.